Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Maniology haul video for you. As you will shortly see, Maniology really decided to bankrupt me together with my London this year, and I will show you some plates that I purchased in the last 2 months, I would say. I wanted to make sure that I have enough plates to show you in a haul video rather than showing you 3-4 plates at a time. So you will see quite a few in today's video, so definitely grab something to drink, maybe a small snack. And I am so excited to share with you what I purchased from Maniology in the last, as I said, month and a half too. You can also always use my Maniology ambassador code Judita10. This is an affiliated code which would give me some commission when used by you guys. But as you see, I use it for a good reason or a good purpose. Anything that I make out of this code, I definitely put towards either my Mani and Me subscription boxes or just individual products from Maniology. I do hope that you will enjoy this video. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos or videos where I will be showing you these plates, then definitely also hit the subscribe button before you leave. If there is any particular plate or design that you would like me to use in a future manicure, then definitely let me know in the comment section. But I will leave for you the link to Maniology's website and of course my code in the description box, so feel free to check it out. The link is just a link to the website itself. Alright, so as I typically do with my haul videos, I will show you close-ups to these plates, but as I said, if there is anything specific that catches your eye, just please let me know, and stay tuned for a manicure using that design either here on my YouTube channel or on my Instagram. Alright guys, I think that's it for the rambling portion, so now I will jump into showing you the close-ups. Thank you so much guys for being here today. Keep watching the haul portion and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.